A lot about cats ever since I was a child, and here's the breeds and names. First off, we have my cat Boa, who is a purebred flame point Siamese. There he is. Boa? And my baby. And second off, we got Baby Girl, which is his daughter, Boa's daughter. Show Baby Girl.
Baby girl.
And Baby Girl's mother was half tabby, half Bengal. And then third up, we got Juju, who is her son, F, Boa's grandson. And then fourth off, we got her daughter, Chelsea, who is also Boa's granddaughter. So Boa, Baby Girl, Chelsea, and Juju. Thank you for watching this. I hope you like. Oh, before I go, Chelsea is a tabby Bengal mix, Maine Coon, and Juju is an orange marble Bengal tabby Maine Coon mix.